Now Bas and I are going to show you how to use surprises to create an opportunity to communicate more. Now we're also going to do a little bit of creative stupidity when we're reading too. Okay, Bas?
Okay.
The special guest. Look, elephant, cried monkey.
No. Zebra.
Oh, zebra, silly me. I made a mistake. Okay, that was deliberate, creating an opportunity for him to communicate. I've got an invitation from the king. To the cleverest, most beautiful animal in the jungle, please be the special guest at my baboon party tonight.
No, my dinner party.
Oh, yes, you're right. It's dinner party, not baboon party, silly me. From His Royal Highness Parakeet.
No, lion.
Oh, yes, Lion King of the Jungle. So you can see how we can use creative stupidity here. Okay, we're going to skip a couple of pages.
No.
Huh? What's that?
I didn't.
It's a surprise! Oh my goodness, who is that?
And one of my games version of Spider-Ham.
It's Spider-Ham, what a big surprise! So you can put a picture inside a book, create a surprise. Maybe put something in the sock drawer that's a little bit different. Surprises are a great way to teach commenting, because Bas was able to make a sentence there and commenting on it. Okay, should we see some more? Of course you can keep it. Here, maybe there's another surprise. Should we have a look? Dinner time, he growled as he pounced over the bush and landed on Turtle.
No, he landed on Rhino.
Oh yes, who tossed him in the pie.
No, Swamp.
Oh yes, he tossed him in the swamp, silly me. Ouch, cried Lion once again. Oh my goodness, Lion's being very sneaky. I think he's going to pounce. Oh my goodness, it was the biggest zebra bottom ever. Dinner time, lovely, said Elephant and sat down. Oh no, look, he squished Lion. That's a big surprise.
What?
What? Who's that?
Spider-Man.
It's Spider-Man, what's he doing?
Hugging Venom.
He's hugging a baby Venom. That is so silly. You got 2 surprises. So that's a great way to use a book in various ways to create those opportunities to communicate, as well as some great language modeling using a book in the first place.